Hey everyone, Random Randy here. This is going to be Vlogtember video 2. I'm not going to say day 2 because I just actually recorded the first one earlier this morning. But that's beside the point. So this video is just going to be a fun little short thing because I've been struggling trying to figure out what to do because I still haven't gotten this room in the order I want to yet, as you can see by this lovely pile of stuff chilling here at the moment. So this is going to be a prompt that I actually got from a meme that's been going around for a while that my friends have posted more than once, so I thought this would be kind of cute. And if you're somebody who's looking for video topics for the rest of this month going, oh my god, what the heck am I going to make videos about? Because I know that as time goes on, you kind of start running out of ideas and going, there's no way in hell everybody's going to want to listen to me talk about the same stuff I always do every single day for 30 or 31 days. What are you doing, bub?
You're going to be having some use your mouse. Be attack. Be attack.
Yeah, you guys. So for anybody who doesn't know, that is this one over on this side right here. This one is Killian. He's my younger son. And this is my older son, Hunter, who just got a haircut this morning.
Because now we can't see it.
Oh, now we can't see it. You're right. Because he said he was tired of his hair being in his eyes. So.
Did I turn into emo again?
I don't know. Here, let mommy go emo. There we go. It's not really thick enough to completely hide my eye, though, so it's not totally emo. But yeah. All right.
So I'll find somewhere to put this, guys.
Okay.
And then... I don't know why.
So this is real life, guys. This is every day. Okay, are we done now? So I can film the rest of my video. Cute kids.
Only if you can give me my bear.
I will give you your bears back. Yes.
I'll be Save me. Oh no.
Oh no. That's such a tragedy. Okay.
Open up.
No, go on. Shoo. Thank you, I love you. So anyway, the meme, if you're looking for video topics, there are tons of those prompt memes that people have made. This one in particular, which is, since we're now in the fall season, because it's September 1st, and as far as I'm concerned, it is the first month of pumpkin season. And if people don't like it, too bad, because Halloween should be longer, and that's all there is to it. So, the meme was, if you were a demon, what 5 things would someone place in a circle to summon you? So, I thought about it for a while. And a few things came to mind really quickly, and a few other things I kind of needed to think about a bit more. So the first one is coffee. As long as it is a dark roast coffee, which, by the way, I got this awesome mug from one of my friends and viewers, Julie. So hi, Julie. If you see this, I hope you guys are all doing okay. So, first item in the summoning circle, coffee. Because coffee helps keep not only myself, but other people alive. Second item. Yarn. No specific type of yarn, just yarn in general. This is actually some hand-dyed fancy yarn that I bought myself quite a long time ago that I'm intending to make something for myself with because I have reached the point of you bought the nice yarn to make yourself something. Why haven't you made yourself something yet? That's a good question, because I'm always too busy making stuff for other people. But this is a Koigu yarn, I believe. This is 100% merino wool, and each one of these is 114 yards. It doesn't have a colorway, but it does have a dye-lot handwritten on it. No, sir. Get down, please. Atticus, get down. Come on, buddy. Get down. You're gonna fall. Get down, please. Go on. Get down. Thank you. Look at him pout. Big baby. So, yarn. Third item. Cats in general, specifically a black cat, would be most effective. I really miss Nurgle. Fourth item. Stickers. You might not know this, but I used to be an avid sticker collector, and somewhere here in the boxes of stuff that I still haven't unpacked, I have quite an extensive collection of stickers, and I continue to collect them in small amounts, but I try to collect ones now that I will actually use, not just ones that I will hold somewhere and say that they're pretty. And the final item that would be in my summoning circle would be, I'm not sure what they're called, but you know those white chocolate candies with the chunks of peppermint in them that are kind of shaped like a bell, and you get them in like a big long tube-shaped bag, but you can only get them at Christmas time? Those things. Oh my goodness. Those things. Those things are amazing, and they are excellent in coffee or hot chocolate, or just to sit there and eat the whole bag and feel zero remorse after you have consumed them all, aside from the fact that they're in short supply and only available for a certain portion of the year. So usually I wait until like the week before Christmas, and I'll buy like 5 or 6 bags of them and ration myself to like 1 bag a week so I can enjoy them up until close-ish to my birthday. Yeah. So just to run through the whole list again, because I know there was a lot of lengthy explanation in between. The 5 items that would go in a summoning circle if I were a demon or spirit needing to be summoned would be coffee, yarn, a cat or black cat most specifically, stickers, and those white chocolate peppermint bell candies. So yeah, like I said, if anybody else wants to use that prompt, feel free. It's definitely not my original idea, but I thought it was cute, especially since we're approaching spooky season. So yeah. And hopefully my kids watching Steven Universe Future in the background isn't too terribly loud or picked up by the microphone. And on that note, I'm gonna call this good for now. I'm just watching Hunter walk down the hallway holding onto my 5-pound dumbbells like he's a strong man. It's... I need to get heavier weights. This whole not going to the gym thing for months and months and months is the pits, and I hate it. And now we can go back to the gym. But you have to wear a mask to walk into the gym. But you don't have to wear a mask while you are working out and exerting yourself and like exhaling hard, so you're huffing particles farther from you than you normally would. But you also have to wear a mask walking in between machines and walking to and from the locker room or bathroom. That's special right there. Don't get me wrong. I understand that companies are doing what they can to save face and try to make money back at this point because they have been shut down for so long, but that's a special kind of dumb, in my opinion. And I'm not particularly worried about contracting anything. So that's neither here nor there, but I feel like it's brainless. But yeah, anyway, that is my opinion on that. So let me know in the comments down below what 5 items you would have, or make your own video and tag me back in it and we'll start a chain. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.